Hey Guru Nation, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. It really means a lot to me. I got asked, I started doing TikToks again. I need to really focus on daily TikTok content, and it's been working because somebody on TikTok, and by the way, everybody go follow me there. Underneath the video description is my TikTok username. It's Dan Sfera. Just like on YouTube, somebody asked me, I did a video on being a generalist, and somebody asked me, well, what exactly is a generalist? And there's actually a book written on this. I didn't read it. Somebody actually told me about it, but there's a book written about being a generalist. It's a term that applies to any industry, but the way I use it, obviously, is in the context of clinical research. And it's a jack of all trades. It's somebody who has a skill set to do just about anything that's required in this industry, whether it's at the site level, CRO level, sponsor level, or vendor level, or across and in between those various stakeholders in the industry. So nobody starts out as a generalist. You're going to start out most likely in a very specialized role. For example, my first employee here at Yuma Clinical Trials, she's actually a CRC Academy graduate. She works remotely for me. She started out as somebody who creates very specialized, somebody who creates eSource for my eSource templates, right, for my studies. Then she moved into filing things in the electronic regulatory. Then she moved into organizing the electronic regulatory or the investigator's site file. Then now she's moving into entering data in the EDC. Then she's learning about answering queries in the EDC. She's been able to do all these skill sets, and there's going to be plenty more soon, in a very short period of time, like 2 months maybe. She's done all these things because my company is a small company. So this is why I always say small is the new big. She started out as a specialist. Nobody hires generalists, but every company needs generalists, but no company is going to make somebody a generalist. Being a generalist requires the individual to want to learn how to do more things, and in most cases, to have the resolve to just do it and not even ask for permission. And the ironic thing is, once you become a generalist, the company recognizes it, and now you become indispensable for that company. Why? Because you can do it all. No matter who's out or who no longer works there, you can jump in and fill their role. Now the issue is, how do you become a generalist? Anybody can do it at any type of organization. It's just a matter of willpower, motivation, resolve, networking. Maybe you can switch organizations if you're really finding it hard to do. Some organizations are easier to become a generalist than others. I really think that academic medical centers are some of the toughest places to become generalist. I generally think the smaller the company, the easier it is to become a generalist. Again, everybody hires for specialists, including my startup. I needed somebody to do eSource, and then we graduated into all these other roles because I needed it. It's all about what the company needs in the short term, but in the long term, being a generalist for the employee, you're creating a moat around yourself because you're differentiating yourself and you're protecting your future employment prospects. No matter what technologies come in and disrupt the industry or disrupt your business, you still have a skill set to be able to adapt. And part of being a generalist is also being adaptable. So it's kind of like being an entrepreneur without running your own business, right? You can be an employee working for other companies, but have the entrepreneurial mindset that you're going to keep upgrading your skill sets. You're going to keep leveling up. You're going to shift with the way technologies shift and with trends that come in the industry. You're focusing on the future, psychedelics maybe in clinical research, decentralized trials, maybe certainly eSource and eReg. Those are the present. They're no longer the future. They used to be the future in the past. That's deep. So that's kind of what being a generalist is. And again, you can become a generalist no matter where you start as any type of specialist. And it's just a matter of mastering your craft, whatever you were hired to do, and then expanding on that skill set to ancillary positions immediately surrounding your initial skill set, and keep repeating that process until you have acquired a diverse skill set. And you'll never fully be a generalist. This takes a lifetime to achieve, but you can definitely place yourself and your skill sets ahead of your competition by continuing to do this. And again, no one's going to tell you to do this. No employer actually cares. They just hire you to get certain tasks done. But you need to have the resolve to want to do more and learn more and grow more, and maybe find the organizations that are more conducive to you being able to level up your skill sets. So that's what a generalist is, in my opinion, as it relates to clinical research in a nutshell. Good luck, Guru Nation. Just wanted to clarify that. Bye-bye.